Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can reset your two-factor authentication on Kraken. Now, if you don't have a master key or have lost access to it, you'll have to submit a support request and select you can't sign in to your account issue with the two-factor authentication. So for that, you need to select the appropriate choice for you. So select the appropriate choice or the reason for that, and you need to fill out the details. So basically, you will have to go to the web browser, and then on the web address bar you need to type in support.carcrane.com, and that's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. So due to some inconvenience, I'm unable to show you the procedure, but all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the link, and you need to select the reason for contacting them, and basically you can reset your two-factor authentication if you provide a valid information. So in this way, you can reset two-factor authentication in Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.